How to buy a Chipotle gift card. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's jump right into the video. First of all, open any of your web browser or search engine on your phone. Okay, here we go. And then in the search bar, search for Amazon.com. Now tap on Amazon, which is the official website of Amazon. Now after you have come to this page, you can see search Amazon, which is the search bar. Now over here type for Chipotle gift cards. Okay, here we go. Now over here you can see various options like Chipotle e-gift card, Chipotle gift card multiple pack of 3. But for now we are just going to tap on Chipotle gift card. Okay, right here. Now you can see the amount you have to pay for the gift card. Now if you scroll down, you can also select the quantity of the gift cards you want to purchase, and you can buy now instantly, or you can add the gift card to cart and make further purchases and then buy it. And if you scroll down, you can see send as a gift, include custom message. If you select it, you can also send a custom message to the person you are going to send this gift card to. So after doing all these steps, you can just tap on buy and then make a payment. Now after doing all these steps, you will successfully be able to purchase Chipotle gift card. And that was it for today at last. Don't forget to like and subscribe.